Hello guys, this is Mark Marcelo from Filipino Tech Addict, and this is a short video review of the Star Mobile Quest. Right now, the Star Mobile Quest is priced for only 5,490. Sakop siya ng Star Mobile Early Christmas Sale na extended until October 31. So, ang original SRP niya is 6,590. So, for a small phone, 4.5 inch phone, tapos ganun ang price. Normally kasi pag 4.5 inch, normally na below 5 na eh. What's also special with this phone is it is powered by Qualcomm's processor, not MediaTek. And another thing, ang camera niya is a 12 megapixel Sony camera. Sony sensor po yan. Tapos ang front niya ay Toshiba sensor. So, let's have a quick look muna sa interface. Dahil Qualcomm siya, ang kanyang processor, ang kanyang SoC or system on chip is a 1.2 GHz Qualcomm Snapdragon 200 processor. And dahil Qualcomm, alam natin lahat ang Qualcomm maganda, kumbaga snappier, better performing siya sa akin palagay lang naman to than MediaTek. And naging at evident siya kahit lang sa mga basic tasks lang, like this one, like navigating lang through apps or opening messages. As you can see, it's very quick. So ano siya talaga, kumaga if you want a very snappy phone, tapos very vanilla Android experience pa siya, so expect a good performance with this phone. So sa kanyang when we did our last Antutu benchmark, we only got 16,256. We got 16,256. So this is a fair, good score. And when it comes to gaming naman, it is also good for gaming. Although loading lang like Dead Trigger, medyo it takes a little bit more time. Pero when playing it, generally smooth naman siya. Well, let's have a quick demo lang. May stutters naman siya from here and there, pero stutters are very minimal. Try lang tayo mag-play ng isang short game lang. Okay. Short game. Okay, so when it comes to gaming, okay naman siya. Generally, the phone really works well. Everything works well. It's very handy. It's very light. It's very thin. The only problem I encountered with this phone, isa lang naman na naging gripe ko dito. Actually, the screen is gorgeous as you can see. Pero when you take it outdoors, lumabas ka, under broad daylight, nagdi-diminish agad yung screen. So, yun ang anong problem ko. Actually, yun lang naman. Pero when indoors or kahit good lighting conditions, okay naman siya. Well, taking pictures, dahil yan naman ang ating, syempre yun ang pinakihintay nyo kung how does it fare, the camera. So, here it is. This is one of my selfie photos. This is taken from the front-facing camera. Yan. As you can see naman, it has good detail naman. So this is the front. This is an outdoor shot. Napaka-detailed ng kanyang pictures. As in, maganda naman ang color reproduction. Matetest nyo yung ganda ng photo when you take the picture, then you transfer it to PC or you print it out. Doon nyo ma-appreciate yung ganda lalo ng picture. This is an indoor shot. Good lighting. This is a picture of our house. This is a photo with a flash. Yun nga lang, medyo na-overexpose. This is with the flash. And this is without flash. Ito yung kanyang what do you call this? Low light shot. Ito yung BSI. Ito yung how the BSI works. Yan. This is also a normal lighting shot. So, that's the camera. So, let's have a short size comparison lang. So, this phone I have here is the MyPhone Rio. Ayan. So, MyPhone Rio versus Star Mobile Quest. Ayan ang size. So, this is a 5-inch screen. So, ayan. So, if you want a decent performer, as in almost no lag, small phone pero good camera, front and back camera. And para bang ang performance is parang flagship na level, pero small, on a small package. I think you might want to take a look with the Star Mobile Quest. So the only gripe that I have is the screen when taking it outdoors, as in yung under direct sun, using it under the direct sunlight. And this running Android 4.2 Jelly Bean. Sana 4.3 pala, sorry. Android 4.3 Jelly Bean. Ang akin lang, wish ko lang sana in-opt ng Star Mobile na i-upgrade na siya sa 4.4 KitKat. Pero anyway, this is a very, very good phone. So, if you want to see my full review, it's on filipinotechaddict.wordpress.com. So, this is Mark Marcelo. Thank you for watching.